Hey there! Welcome to English with Hassan 1 and 2, where learning English is easy, fun, and actually makes sense.
So now when we ask the price of something, so how much is this ball? We are going to give the price in euro or in euros. So euro, this is the symbol of euro, 1 euro, 2 euros. So how much is this ball? And we are going to read the prices. It's 5 euros. It's 7 euros. It's 17 euros. It's 27 euros. It's 37 euros. It's 41 euros. It's 50 euros. Let's continue. Now the plural. How much are these balls? They're 51 euros. They're 67 euros. They're 72 euros. They're 85 euros. They're 93 euros. They're 99 euros. They're 100 euros. Let's continue. Now we are going to give the price of the book in dollars. So $1, $2. So how much is this book? It's $15. It's $22. It's $22. Sorry. It's $33. It's $44. It's $55. It's $66. It's $77. Let's continue. How much are these books? They're $11. They're $12. They're $13. They're $14. They're $15. They're $16. They're $17. How much is this watch? Now we are going to give the price with the pound of England or English money. How much is this watch? It's 10 pounds. It's 20 pounds. It's 30 pounds. It's 40 pounds. It's 50 pounds. It's 60 pounds. It's 70 pounds. So now the plural. How much are these watches? They're 80 pounds. They're 90 pounds. They're 70 pounds. They're 60 pounds. They're 50 pounds. They're 40 pounds. They're 30 pounds.